So people have these thoughts that keep them from speaking. Thoughts like, I'm not good enough, nobody will ever come and hear me speak, I'll never be a good speaker, or I have nothing that people want to listen to. I understand that because I was like that too. But then I found someone who helped me to discover the story within me, and my world transformed. Hi, I'm Rochelle Togo-Figa, and I am your speaking breakthrough strategist. And I work with business owners, professionals, authors, and coaches, people who want to get out there and speak to groups. So the number one reason that people aren't there speaking is their fear of speaking. And that's something I can really relate to, because as a child, I had a fear of speaking. I didn't think I had a voice. I was the youngest of 5 children. I was raised by a single mom. My older brother would tell me just to keep my mouth shut, that nobody was interested in what I had to say. Well, I believed him, and I stopped speaking, and I even developed a stutter when I was a child. But as I grew older, I found my voice, and I started going out there and speaking to groups. And I truly believe that we all have a voice and we all have a message. And there's nothing that fulfills my heart more than working with people and having them develop their voice, find their story, and then take their stories to groups of people to grow their business. So I work with people in a variety of different ways. I can work with them privately, or they can attend my workshops, or they can come in for a day and we can work together that way as well. You know, the work I do with people is highly interactive. Even if we're working one-on-one, you are going to be involved in practicing speaking. And if you're in my workshops, you're going to be up in front of the room right away practicing speaking. And that's what people really love about my workshops, is that they don't sit back and listen. That's boring. They are up there, they are doing the work, they're practicing, they're working with each other, they get coaching from me, and they also get coaching from their peers.
I was deathly afraid of speaking in front of groups, believe it or not. I needed to get relaxed and to get clear about my message and what I was targeting when going after business. As a result of completing her sessions, I have landed some of the biggest contracts that I ever had. I had to do a 30-minute presentation in front of a government agency and landed not 1, but 2 contracts. I am much more comfortable. I have signature talks, and I invite anybody to join us as we continue to learn in this amazing sessions.
So I have a special offer today. I have a half-day workshop called Speak to Attract More Clients. I'm offering this because I'm a business owner like you, and I want you to get out there and start speaking so that you can grow your business.